Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to reset the alarm for low battery and as well as replace the battery in your smoke detector unit. Here we go. First, what we need to do is locate the battery in this smoke detector unit. Usually it's underneath. It can either be sliding for the case for the battery or just pop it out. In this case, you're going to pop it and this will expose the battery. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab new batteries here and we're going to replace it. All you need to do is pop it off like this. That's all it is. Alright friends, we have to reset and drain out any extra charge. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the button here for 15 seconds. As you can see, you can hear the squeal. That will drain out any extra charge and reset your smoke detector. So just going to keep holding it for 15 seconds and it should be good. Once that is done, just going to put the new battery in. I'll make sure the plus and the minus, we have to make sure that's taken care of. The plus is right here. I'm going to put it back in. And we're going to put the cover back. That's all it is. Now you've reset the unit. You can test it if you like just by pressing. There it is. That's how you reset and replace your battery in a smoke detector unit. Alright friends, the one thing I want to note and make sure I emphasize it is to hold and press down the button for 15 seconds. That will release any charge on your smoke unit and it will reset your unit so that beeping will go away. Please remember to do that. Please like and subscribe.